Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets on Friday the 3rd of October. I'm going to move on to dollar yen now, and I've been looking at dollar yen in the last week, and there have been a couple of signals that had suggested that maybe dollar yen was topping out, and what we saw on Wednesday was we had a massive key one day reversal. I'll zoom in here. You've got this big key one day reversal on Wednesday where you've got a move to a new high, which was 110.08, and then it actually closed well below the previous session low. And not only that, that was followed up yesterday by a breach of the uptrend. And also now we've got a series of negative signals on the momentum indicators. We've got the MACD crossover, we've got the Stochastics crossing back below 80, which is a negative signal, and also the RSI dropping as well. So pretty much these negative signals are now coming through on this dollar yen, and it really does suggest that we be significantly cautious about running long positions on dollar yen anymore. In terms of being outright sell signals, I think that's a bit more of a risky game, because dollar yen remains in this strong trend over the past few months, and I think the outlook is now very strong dollar yen, but it could now mean that we enter into a bit more of a consolidation phase, I think, on dollar yen, rather than showing consistent upside. So maybe that is the way we should now be playing dollar yen. It's more of a consolidation trade rather than just consistent, almost one-way traffic. And I think that's pretty much the way that we should be reading dollar yen at the moment. This is dollar yen on an hourly chart. You did break that 108.24 support yesterday with a low around that 108 figure, and now if we start to find resistance underneath underneath that 109.10, which was a support through the last few days, and if you start to find resistance underneath it, which it seems to be the case, then I think we could start to see a little bit of certainly consolidation, if not maybe drifting backwards, maybe 108 figure. I've said all along that I believe that 107.40, 107.50 is probably a decent area for getting long, and it's perfectly possible we could see a drift back towards there. But if, as I said, if we start to hold underneath 109.10, then I think we could well start to see a little bit of profit taking and maybe a bit of a drift on dollar yen, maybe backwards slightly. Anyway, I wish you good luck on your trading. Obviously, non-farm payrolls today, lots of volatility going on this afternoon. We'll see how this resistance holds up at 10. But until we see the number, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.